Munchkins! We are learning the pre-math concepts, and today in the same session we are going to make a wonderful thing. Yes, we are going to make a dice which we can use for playing different types of games. Now to make a dice we need some cardboard sheet. So you have to take any sort of this, like any old box from which you can get a cardboard sheet. You will be needing colored paper, you will be needing a cutter, sellotape, then you will be needing glue, you will be needing scale and pencil. That's it, and let's start. So what you have to do first is you have to make square shape through the cardboard. So I am taking here 10 by 10 centimeters square. So for making that, I'm just making a square with the pencil and scale first, and then later I'll be cutting it. So like this, you will be making a square shape like this. It should be 10 by 10. Yeah, in this way. And once it is ready, with the help of cutter you can cut it. So be very careful for this particular step, that you will be taking the help of your parents, and under their guidance only you should do that. So with the help of a cutter you can just cut the cardboard sheet into square shape. Now once the square shapes are ready, like I'll be making one ready here. You see, this extra portion will be completely removed. So because the cutter will be very sharp, you have to be very careful with it, okay? And you should just do it in the guidance of your parents alone, or better if your parents will cut them and give you, so that making the cardboard, the dice work alone you can do at your own. So see here, I have just cut this cardboard sheet into square in this way. Yeah. So now once your cardboard sheets are ready, you have to make a total of 6 square shapes like this. So I have already cut few and kept. So what you have to do now is you have to keep them in this way. Okay, now why we are keeping them in this way? We have to make a cube from these cardboards, the square shaped cardboard. So what we will be doing exactly is, you will be taking the sellotape and you will be putting the sellotape here, here, here and here. Then what will happen? They will become like this. So these two will be here and these two will be here, and it will become a square. Finally, one last cardboard will come on the top and it will become a cube shape. So see here, I have already started doing it. So I have just pasted it in this way, and now I'll be putting this, the final one, in this way. So we will be needing sellotape for it. You have to take the sellotape, and with the help of sellotape, this way, you'll be needing a lot of sellotape for it. At the place of sellotape you can actually use duct tape also, that will be available at the at any hardware shop. So anything, whatever is available at your home, you can make use of that. So from both sides, from the inside as well as from the outside, you actually have to paste this. So here, see here, how you have to do it is, you have to put it here in this way, and once it is done, you have to fold it and you have to paste it in this way. So you use duct tape or you use normal sellotape, whatever is available at your home, you can make use of that and make your cube. Now the same thing what I have done that side, I'll be doing in this corner. So it will be a little patient needed work, where you have to slowly do it, and once it is done, the results will be very, very, very beautiful. Yeah. So you have to paste them in this way. Now once it is done from the inside, then what you have to do is you have to make the same sellotape and you have to put them in outside also, because once you put them in outside, then only the strength of your cube will come. So see here, I'm doing it in this way. This way, from every side you have to paste them like this. So you take the help of your parents and you do this, okay? Yeah. Now, once this much is done, the last step is a little tricky because you have to put the last cardboard sheet at the top in this way. So in the same way, you have to take the sellotape only or the duct tape, whatever is available at your home, and with that only you have to do it. But you have to be little patient because it should not fall down inside the cube, okay? So it should be on the top only. So in that way you have to do it so that it will be nicely. We'll be taking one more cardboard sheet. What I'm doing here is I'll be putting them like this. So I'll be putting one here and like this on all the four corners. On all the four corners, when we do this in this way. So half you have to keep here, half will go on the other side of the cube. So only half tape should be on one side of your square shaped cardboard, okay? And half will go on the rest of the edge. So in this way we'll be putting one more here, yeah. So I have put the last cardboard also in this way and it is ready. Once this is done, the use of this small circles will come. So how you have to make it is you have to take a colorful paper and you can take any round object, like I'm taking this smiley, and you can make circles like this and you can cut it with a scissor. Once it is done, you will get few colorful circles like that. Now these colorful circles you have to paste them on your dies in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 6 sides are there. So at one place you'll be putting 1, like here I have put 1, then you have to put 2, then you have to put 3, here you have to put 4, then on the top one you have to put 5, and on the reverse here you have to put 6. So like this your dice will be ready and you can play with this in this way, like, oh, I have got a 1. And then let me try once again. Oh, I got a 2. So we will be having a lot of fun activities with the help of this dice. So you all make this dice and then you see my next video where we will be playing games with the help of this dice and learning lot of new concepts like more or less with the help of this dice. So try making this. It is very easy. You just need cardboard. So just make this and then see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.